Hello, and welcome back to Gunadecor Ideas, the channel where we bring you the best in interior design inspiration. Today, we're diving into the world of skylights and exploring how they can transform your living room into a warm and inviting space. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with your favorite idea. Let's light up your living space. Imagine a large, central skylight right above your seating area, casting a natural glow over your living room. This design doesn't just brighten the space, it creates a stunning focal point. A central skylight is perfect for creating a modern and airy ambience in your home. For a clean and contemporary look, consider installing a series of rectangular skylights in a row. This layout provides an even distribution of light and adds symmetry to your ceiling design. Add motorized blinds for a touch of practicality and style. If your living room boasts a vaulted ceiling, skylights installed along the slope can elevate its grandeur. This design works wonders in farmhouse or rustic-style interiors, especially when paired with exposed wood beams. Want something different? Corner skylights are a creative option for smaller spaces or highlighting specific areas like a cozy reading nook. They bring in light from unexpected angles, adding depth and character to your room. Step outside the box with skylights in custom shapes like circles, hexagons, or stars. These designs create a visual statement and bring a unique charm to your living room. Frosted or colored glass adds a playful touch to the lighting. Imagine sunlight streaming down on lush indoor plants. Skylights above a living wall or indoor garden not only nurture greenery but also make your living room feel like a natural sanctuary. For a seamless blend of function and style, choose skylights with integrated LED lighting. They mimic natural light during evenings or cloudy days, keeping your living room bright and welcoming 24/7. For the ultimate wow factor, consider a partially or fully glazed roof. This bold design brings the outdoors in, creating a stunning connection to the sky. Ensure proper insulation to keep the space cozy year-round. Positioning skylights to capture specific outdoor views, like treetops or the night sky, adds a tranquil and artistic element to your living room. These designs connect your interior to the beauty of nature. Thank you for joining us on this journey through stunning skylight ideas for your living room. Whether you go for a bold glass roof or a subtle corner skylight, the right design will bring warmth and character to your space. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gunadecor Ideas, and let us know in the comments which idea you're excited to try. Until next time, keep designing your dream home.